Yes, sir.
Sir, namaskar.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You are Mr. Akshay Kumar.
I'm Abhishek Kanta, sir.
Abhishek
It's my
Kanta.
father.
Abhishek.
Kanta.
Abhishek. Can you introduce yourself?
Sir. So I'm Abhishek Kanta. I belong to Balangir in Odisha. I have completed my graduation from Ravancha University and my post-graduation from University of Hyderabad. And my hobbies are mushroom cultivation, cycling, and learning new languages.
Your post-graduation in subject? Biotechnology.
Biotechnology, sir.
And even geology honors. What are the subjects you have opted? Geography and anthropology.
Yes, sir.
You are, can you speak something about your native district, Balangir?
Definitely, sir. So Balangir is situated in western Odisha and it is surrounded by the districts of Kalahandi, Nuapada and Bargarh, Subarnapur, Bodh and Kandhamal. And sir, Balangir is one of the backward districts as it has been said so in the governments many a times, such as it has been placed in the KBK districts list and also in the 151 aspirational districts as has been released by the Niti Aayog.
So what is unique about Saitala?
Soitala, sir. So Soitala is Soitala is a very prospective place for mining, sir. A large number of minerals such as limestone and some gemstones can be found as it has been enumerated by the district mineral foundation. So.
There is an ordnance factory, some place in Balangir.
Yes, sir. It is in Bodmal in Soitala. Yes, sir.
It is in Saitala.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abhishek. What is the meaning of your name, Abhishek?
Abhishek means investiture. When you place somebody at some position, the ceremony that takes place, it is known as Abhishek.
Yes, that is a ceremonial ceremony for somebody that is called Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhishek, you are from Balangir and you have also your subject as geography and anthropology. Can you just differentiate between the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age? What are the difference between the three stages of the development of the human civilization?
Yes, ma'am. And the basic difference between those is that in Paleolithic age, people dealt with, the early people, they dealt with tools made of stones. While in Mesolithic age, they shifted to copper, and in Neolithic age, the use of iron was also seen there.
In between the three stages of this development of the human civilization, where the agriculture took a part of their livelihood?
It started during Mesolithic age, in the late Paleolithic and Mesolithic age.
Okay. Then could you tell any of the monument that lying today also of this Mesolithic age?
Sorry, I cannot recall.
Can you also tell Abhishek something about the Harappa civilizations? What are the salient features that till we remember also Harappa civilization as one of the civilization which has which used the modern techniques and modern planning, something like that?
Yes, ma'am. The town planning in Harappan civilization is something that stands out among all the civilizations that existed in the past. In fact, the water harvesting system, as the remains have been found in Dholavira in Gujarat, is also something that is of very prominent interest by historians even today. Also, the kind of weights and measurements that they used, it was very much advanced as compared to the other civilizations that existed back then.
Their sewerage and drainage system also?
Yes, ma'am.
Very fantastic, very planned drainage system.
Absolutely, ma'am. Yes.
Can you tell where the Ekamra Khetra exists?
Puri is called the Ekamra Khetra, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Or, I'm sorry, ma'am. Actually, it is shaped like a mango, so it is called Ekamra Khetra.
No,
but
no,
cannot really.
Abhishek, no. It's only Bhubaneswar.
Okay, ma'am.
It's Bhubaneswar, Lingaraj temple and periphery area that is called the Ekambra Khetra. There is a development of the Ekambra Khetra taken by the IOL, Indian oil companies, IOL.
Okay, ma'am.
Hindu Sagar is also part of this Ekambra Khetra. It's only Bhubaneswar. Puri is known as the Sankha Khetra.
So,
Sankha Khetra.
that's fine.
Okay, have you ever visited the Lingaraj temple?
Yes, ma'am, I had been there once as a kid.
Okay, could you tell in which year and who built the Lingaraj temple? It's also contemporary of the Puri temple.
Well, I don't recall it right now. I'll certainly go back and look into it.
Okay. Okay, Shah.
Abhishek, what is the importance of the mountain situated in between Bargarh and Balangir? What is the name of that mountain?
So, the Gandhavardhan ranges are
Yes.
located there.
What is the importance?
So, historically, as it has been spoken in the myths, when Hanuman was taking the Sanjeevani booty, he carried the mountain and one portion of it fell in the place where the mountain ranges are located today. But in terms of geology, we may say that a vast deposit of bauxite is present in the place. And in terms of tourism also, at one end of the mountains, the Harishankar temple is located in Balangir district, and in the other, Narsinganath temple is located in Bargarh district. Sir.
There is no other importance. Why environmentalists are opposing the mining activities in Harishankar?
Yes, sir. So actually, earlier Balco had started mining activities near Narsinganath. Even today, some of their residences can be found there, which have been abandoned. But the environmentalists say that it would cause a lot of problems to the environment, as a lot of biodiversity will be lost, because so many deers and other species can be found there, sir. That is one of the major concerns of the environmentalists.
Okay. By extracting bauxite,
Yes, sir.
which metal will find?
Aluminium, sir.
Aluminium. In Odisha, what are the other important places for aluminium?
So Hindalco is there in Sambalpur, sir, and I believe in Angul also there is a plant for aluminium, sir.
What's the name of that plant?
Nalco, sir.
Yes. Do you know there are two separate locations for Nalco?
Yes, sir.
One is at Angul, near Angul. Another one where it is located?
I'm sorry, I don't know, sir.
Okay. Why there are two separate locations? Why geographically, how do you explain two different locations for one industry?
So, according to the location of industries as given by Verba, an industry can be located either at a place where the raw material is found, or at a place where there is more convenience of extracting the material, sir. So, I believe that in the extraction of aluminium from bauxite, some raw components that may be found may not be present in the same location. As a result of it, it would be located in the two locations, sir.
Be sure of it. Okay, just after the interview, check it.
Yes,
There are
sir.
two locations, one at Damanjodi, another one at Angul. There are Damanjodi, what are the activities that are being done at Damanjodi, just check it. And what are the other activities, why two locations are required.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and obviously transporting some raw materials or ore, bauxite ore from Damanjodi to Angul, it will cost huge.
Yes, sir.
Cost transportation. Again from Angul, we will export or we will distribute through all over India. Again it will cost more.
Yes,
Why not one location, why two locations?
Yes.
Okay, now coming to new languages. What is the recent new language? Very recent, it has been developed.
It has been developed. I'm sorry, I don't know, sir.
Have you heard about Esperanto?
No, sir, I must have missed it.
It was the latest language developed in 1887. Okay, language is a natural phenomenon or artificial phenomenon?
So I believe humans have developed it to communicate among themselves. So we can call it as an artificial phenomenon. So
Okay, it's an artificial phenomenon.
yes, sir.
Humans from ancient time or the modern human has developed language?
So from the ancient times only, because as we can see that they have been communicating through different means. We cannot be sure if they spoke any language, but from the cave paintings and everything, you can see that there existed a kind of social life. So they must be communicating with
What are
themselves.
the ancient tribes are known as? A common name is given to ancient tribes. Is that common name?
So PVTGs. If
Okay, one primitive tribe is found in Australia.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of that?
So they are called Aborigines.
Aboriginals.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you distinguish between Homo sapien and Homo sapien sapien?
Yes, sir. So Homo sapiens is the modern human being, as we have known. But Homo sapiens sapiens is the more advanced form of Homo sapiens that is more intelligent as compared to its predecessors. Sir.
Only more intelligent. Any other distinction?
So,
It's regarding intelligence or it's regarding any other thing or some total of social being like that?
yes, sir, definitely. I believe it is definitely a sum of all the factors that have been advanced.
Okay. What is genetic engineering in your subject biotechnology?
Yes, sir. Genetic engineering is a technique in which we tinker with the genes and we develop new technologies and we employ them in different activities. Sir.
Different activity means, for example, you cannot remember something. By gene therapy, we can make a person remember many things. We
Sir,
can enhance our power of brain or capacity of the brain.
Sir, if we see, sir, there are diseases, certain diseases in which we
Do you
tend to
think
forget.
by genetic engineering we can increase the synapses, the number of synapses or neurons like that?
Definitely, sir.
Any success story?
So, not that I can remember in this field, but it is certainly possible, I believe, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Abhishek. Nice. Your response is very fast. We will appreciate that. At the outset, let me just have one or two questions. What is your strength that you feel that you can be a good administrative officer?
So, I am a very hardworking person and I have good interpersonal skills and I can analyze a problem well. That I believe is required.
So that's you think that you have the strength to carry on this.
Yes, sir.
What are the normal challenges an administrative officer is likely to face?
So, as far as my knowledge goes, dealing with public pressure, political pressure, are some of the things that modern day administrators face.
So when there is a conflict of interest between the public pressure and the basic duties and people's rights, when all these things are in conflict, what can be your role in that situation?
So, I believe that my aim should always be to put the interest of public at first, and for whatever is needed for that, I would definitely take all the steps necessary.
Putting yourself at the risk?
So I can only try to minimize the risk factors. Risk will always be involved in this kind of a job.
So two persons from Orissa have got Sahitya Academy Award very recently. One for translation, the other one is for literary contribution.
Okay, so,
Can you name them? Very recently, just few days.
so actually I read in the newspaper today morning that one list was given in the Hindu, but no mention of Odia people were there. So I'll definitely go back and look at it. So
One is Mr. Manjar and the other one Yashodhara Misra.
Yashodhara Mishra got it in 2020, I believe. So,
So that's with the announcement that
so in 2021 the list has been announced. It was in the newspaper today. So, but I didn't find Odia people. I looked up in the internet also, but
Okay.
those states.
what is the international news today in the newspaper?
So the AUKUS that has been formed by Australia, US and the UK has been garnering a lot of attention. That is one of the news that came into my sight, sir.
And there is a bit of challenge that has been coming between Australia and USA on certain international deals.
Yes, sir. I believe France is involved in that because France had earlier signed a treaty with Australia in which they would manufacture the submarines for nuclear powered submarines for Australia. But then now the deal has been taken over by the US, and the French are very angry with it, and they have in fact withdrawn their diplomats from both the US and Australia, sir.
Okay. Who is our Chief Justice?
Sir,
India.
N.V.
Chief Justice of
Ramana.
India.
N.V. Ramana, sir.
And Chief Justice of Odisha?
This,
Odisha High Court.
sorry, sir.
Okay. We have two places in the name. One is Chandpur, other one is Chandbali.
Yes, sir.
Can you distinguish these two places in terms of their significance?
Sorry, sir.
Chandipur must be having some.
Yes, sir. Chandipur is in Baleshwar, and their Abdul Kalam Island is located on the offshore of Chandipur, in which DRDO conducts and ISRO, they conduct their missile and launches, sir.
Okay. And Chandpur you have not come across it.
No, sir, I haven't.
That is in Ganjam district.
Sir, I am also sure did not know about the Chandpur.
That is one of the
Chandpur.
most. There is a specific tuberculosis hospital for the government of Odisha, Chandpur, on the national highway between Bhubaneswar to Baram. It is part of Ganjam district.
Balna Pari.
Ganjam district. Okay, anything? Why this Balangir district is under KVK? And why again it has come to West Bengal? Do you think that the development has not really come into the district and people have not been able to capture the flavor of development in your district?
Sir, being a resident of the district since my birth, I have seen development coming, but it has not been able to meet the pace in which people aspire for development. The expectation of people are different, so, and the reasons why it is in KBK and also in the aspirational districts can be attributed to many factors, historical factors, such as it has been backward since a long time, and the British didn't actually rule Balangir. It was the feudal rulers that ruled the place, and development was not particularly their agenda at that time.
And
And
how do you see the development that it is not developed in Balangir district? We see in a similar platform many districts.
yes, sir.
We never look at that Balangir can be a very different district in terms of development. We never look at that. It is a plain district, agriculturally rich, a lot of water resources are there. Normally, this is what is the kind of impression comes outside.
Yes, sir.
So, what is that intrinsic factors which are responsible for development?
So, political representation is one of the factors. Balangir hasn't had many ministers since a long time, and because of which I believe the demands of the people, they get shadowed in the corridors of the governance. And again, sir, as you spoke about agriculture and irrigation, so about only 6 to 10% of Balangir's agriculture is actually irrigated. And the Lower Sukhtel project is coming up, but then it's a long haul, and maybe someday it will turn out to be a lifeline of Balangir district.
Is it coming under a hilly district?
So we have hills there, but no, it is not, I believe, sir.
Then why irrigation has not developed so much? If it is not a hilly district, naturally.
So we do not have many water resources there. Sukhtel River is one, which originates in Balangir and flows through Balangir. And the Lower Sukhtel project has come up by the Planning Commission. It has been taken up since the 1999, and the work was scheduled to be started in 2001. But
Okay,
it has
I would like to explore something about what are the social factors. Is that something to do with the development of the district? Social factors.
social factors. Balangir has about 20% tribals, so they like to lead a secluded life, and they are not very much concerned with mainstream. So that is one of the reasons of their backwardness, and people should be more aware, sir. I believe anywhere for development to be there, people should be, because the rehabilitation, for example, in the projects that have been taken up, the rehabilitation project and the evacuation project, it takes a lot of time. Be it the Lower Saktil project or be it the
Any reason to explain why people are migrating from Balangir district?
yes, sir. Mainly the failure of agriculture and the lack of industries which can provide them employment opportunities has led to people to flee to South India for different type of activities. Usually it is very seasonal, the migration, but then it happens every year, sir.
Okay. Abhishek, would like to wind up. You will be here. What's your feeling? How do you feel that the board has addressed to your queries? Your objective has been met?
So I believe
What is
that
your expectation, and then
I really need to work on so many places in Odisha that you mentioned, and I was not aware of it. So
you have many good qualities. In terms of your personality is very good. Response is very fast. That is also a very good quality. And keeping engaged with the board is also one of the qualities that you are maintaining. That's also a good quality. But what you are missing, could you identify yourself today, at this moment? Could you be able to identify some of your shortcomings? How best you can improve on that?
So I need to work on from what I convert, sir, on Odisha geography, sir. So many places I didn't know about it. So, but what is your
जनरल नॉलेज अछि बहुत गुडी जगह नॉर्मल ओडिया बही गुटे देखिबो एकाम्र क्षेत्र शंख क्षेत्र एटा सब अछि से टॉप गुडा को इंग्लिश मीडियम लागि हां इंग्लिश में से टिके प्रॉब्लम है से बहीटी देखिबो खाली नेट तो सब इनसे मिलिबो YouTube सब अवेलेबल होबन प्रेजेंट आजकल न्यूज़ तो मिली जो पेपर में
Cultural diversity of the state.
सर ओडिशा रेफरेंस बही तक ना
Maybe temples, maybe dances, maybe culture.
सर ओडिया ये बही गुडा भी आसे सब जगह
When is your date of interview, Abhishek?
22nd,
22nd, 22nd, just nearby. Nothing to be worried. Abhishek, you have done fantastic, and your response to the board's question is really very fast, quick, objective, and you have also pinpointed answers to all the questions. You have the conceptual clarity what the board is asking, and also board is aspiring from you, the way of the answer, the contents of the answer, very fantastically you have done. Then we think that you have done very fantastic also, and you must have done also well in your written. How you have done on your written papers, Abhishek?
I have performed to the best of my abilities, so
Okay.
I don't know how they must have just.
Okay.
You are a winning candidate, Abhishek, and definitely we hope and we think that you will come
You are
out
supposed to make it.
fantastic.
You are supposed to make it. 2-3 things. Just try to take attendance now.
Yes, sir.
When questions are being asked, you can answer still better if you listen to the questions.
Okay, sir.
You are not taking time to listen to the questions. You are instantly replying.
Okay, sir.
And one of the questions you missed, he was asking about what is the other place of bauxite. And you moved over to some other industries, not to the sites of mining. You told one about in Gandavardhan or any other place. Then the second, when he was asking, you immediately, without listening to the question, you immediately moved to the bauxite industry.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, it's not a question of sorry, but you have given some answers and you continued with the answer. But we are noticing that how you are skipping away from the
लिंक का शिफ्ट पड़े जो बंदा पड़े जो दाम जो
by that it's so, because this is a personality test. It is not a test of your knowledge. It is a personality test. So people will try to observe you from various angles. So you have the advantage of communication for which you continued with the answer.
Very
You know
fast.
that's very fast.
Okay.
But that's also a good quality. But try to give some time to just listen to the question so that you can better answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You
अब
have-
बॉलंगी तो सर मौजूद इंडस्ट्री लैक ऑफ माइक्रो एंड इंडस्ट्री
Actually,
सेटिंग
it is a drought prone area.
हाँ
It's a drought prone area. There is a lot of migration. Poverty level is very high, and there is no industrial development that has taken place till now. There is
See,
no
so
scope of
to-
employment scope now.
नहीं ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମାଇଗ୍ରେସନ ବି ଅଧିକ
And all the land alienation process रे ताकर कौन कि maximum good quality land is associated with the have to group. जो है कि बड़े जमींदार को आजे परे पर
सेटार माने हिस्टोरिकल लिंकेज करके जो feudalism
जो बेसी maximum good quality land is with the जमींदार categories of people. और have not जो है नाहंती हमारे लोग हैं कि जो है haves they are having all this. So that is the best factor of
So
your.
the tribals are not interested in mainstream का तरह कहीं नहीं. सीधा भूल है सर.
Well, like this tribal scenario is not a very impeding factor for the development. You know, they are not so distinctly. जिनका अंदर tribal मतलब जिनके दाही सी. तो ठीक है जी. I think you can make it and the possible आप टिके straight है बसियो. ना टिके अलग ही बसियो आप टिके. Don't sing down. And rest of the things if you well dressed ही जीवो all like that. You will be little grooming will help you in building your personality. They will find confidence in you. Okay, thank you.
It's all the best, Abhishek.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.